Hello students, now let's start with the geometrical or cis-trans isomerism in octahedral complexes. In last video we discussed about the geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. So let's begin with the octahedral complexes. In octahedral complexes the coordination number it is 6. So first in octahedral complexes there are different types. Octahedral complex containing only monodentate ligand. Second type is octahedral complexes containing both monodentate and symmetrical bidentate ligand. And the third type it is octahedral complexes containing unsymmetrical chelating ligands. So first example which we are discussing, it is octahedral complexes containing only monodentate ligand. And in that the first type it is MA4B2. Now MA4B2 it possesses two isomers. See here, this is the example MA4B2 octahedral complex, and it possesses two isomers. In one is this one, it is cis isomer, and another it is trans isomer. In cis isomer, two similar ligands. In MA4B2 we will consider only B here. So these two similar ligands, they are present on the same side of the plane. See here, either we can see this one, they are present on same side of the plane, or the same we can write down it like this. Here also the two similar ligands, they are present on same side of the plane, and these are called as cis isomer. While here in MA4B2 example, these two similar groups B, they are present on opposite side. Here we can see this one, or we can consider this one also. In both the cases, two similar groups or two similar ligands, they are present at opposite position. So we can say it is a trans isomer. So looking at these two examples, you can find out which one is cis and which one is trans. See here again, you can see carefully, these two are the examples of cis isomer because two similar ligands, they are present on the same side. Here we are considering B only, not A. And here we are, if you see, two similar ligands, they are present on opposite side. So it is called as trans isomer. So what we can say, MA4B2 type of octahedral complexes has two isomers. One is cis and one is trans. Now let's go towards the another example, that is MA3B3. These complexes also possesses cis and trans isomer. Now here see, this type you can see here, this is called as, it is a cis and it is trans. The cis isomer is obtained when all the like groups occupy the position on the same face of an octahedron. That means here you can see 3-chlorine, there are two types of ligand, one is chlorine and another is amine. And these 3-chlorine atoms, they are present on the same side and on the same face of octahedron. Such isomer, or they are present, if we give the numbers, they are present at first, second and third position, or we can say they are present on same face, or they are present at, this is the fourth position, fifth or sixth position, Either they are present at 1, 2, 3 position or 4, 5, 6 position. These are also called as cis isomer, facial isomer, or these are called as FAC isomer. While in another example, if you see here, 1 minute. In this case, the similar groups are arranged in such a way that two similar atoms, they are opposite to each other, or they are present at meridional position, and such isomers are called as trans isomer, meridional isomer, or mer isomer. So in octahedral complexes of type Ma3B3, where two ligands are there, out of two ligands, 3 are of same type and other 3 are of same type. If they are present on the same face of octahedron, that means either at 1, 2, 3 position or 4, 5, 6 position like this, then those are called as cis, facial, or face isomer. And if two similar ligands are present on opposite side, then these are known as trans, meridional, or mer isomer. The next type of octahedral complexes, it is this is one more example, I'm sorry, Ma3B3. Here you can see that three similar groups, they are present on same side of the face, those are called as facial isomer. And here two similar groups, they are present on opposite side of the plane, which is called as mer isomer. Now one more complex, octahedral complex of MABCDEF type. That means all the 6 ligands, they are of different and they are monodentate. Actually, theoretically, in this case, theoretically 15 different isomers are possible, but out of these, practically only 3 isomers are separated. And we are not discussing all 15 isomers here. Thank you.